Hi students, how are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy. In your fourth standard, you learned science and social studies, but this year you are going to learn these two subjects together as EVS, environmental studies, as you did in your second standard. We go into the subject. Let us recall the few things about sense. You knew we have five senses. Our eyes help us to see the things. Our ears help us to hear the sound. We smell the things with our nose. We taste the food with our tongue. We feel the things with our skin. The same way, the animals also have the different senses. Like us, they can see, hear, taste, smell, and feel. Even some animals have super senses. For example, the eagle can see their prey from far away. The elephant can hear even the faintest sound, that is very low volume sound. The dog have very good ability to smell. Like that, the animal world is full of example of amazing sense. Children, in this lesson we learn about the super senses. If you drop some sweet on the ground, within the few minutes the many ants collected around it. How they can identify the food? They find the food using their antennae. And you knew that the ants have two antennae. You can notice that the ants always move in a line. How it is possible? The scientists did many experiments and found that as the ants move, they leave a smell on the ground and the other ants follow the smell to find the way. How ants move from one place to another place? They always move in a line by they leave a smell on the ground. The other ants follow the smell. Now think and tell me, if I am block their path with the pencil without harm them. Even if I am block the path, what will happen? The ants maybe climb up on the pencil or deviated, but still they move in a line. Always the ants move in a line. That is the superpower of ants. In the same way, the some male insects can find the female insects by their smell. The female insects secreted some smell, so the male insects identified with that smell. In the same way, the male silkworm can also find the female worm from many kilometers away by a smell. Do you understand, children? So such that is called as super sense. Have you ever been troubled by mosquitoes? Just think, how do they know where you are? Even you are changing the place, still the mosquitoes bites you, right? How the mosquitoes finds you? The mosquito can find you by the smell of your body, especially by the smell of your sole of your feet and the heat of your body. They identified the mosquitoes identified you by the smell of the sole and as well as the heat of your body. Sole means the under surface of the foot. And small information, keep it in mind, only the female mosquitoes bites human. Why? The female mosquito need human blood for giving a birth to baby mosquito. What is the name of the mosquito which spread the malaria? I repeat the question. What is the name of the mosquito which spread the malaria? The answer is the female Anopheles. The female Anopheles. I already told you only the female mosquito bites us. So the female Anopheles is the cause to spread the malaria to the human beings. Do you see the street dogs in your area, and have you seen a dog sniffing here and there? What do you think it's trying to smell? Do you see the street dogs barking when the other dogs enter into a street? Why? The dogs mark out their own area on the road. They can make out if the other dog has come into their area by the smell of its urine or potty. With that smell, they bark and fight and send them out from his own area. So the same way, the tiger did the same in the forest to make their area. So in a particular area, the only one tiger lived there. So with the help of the dog ability, the dog super sense, the dogs are very helpful in the investigation of crime. When do you find some smell is helpful to you? Yes, you can find what dish your mom prepared for dinner without entering into the kitchen, right? And you can feel the bad smell when you walk near a heap of garbage. Now we are come to the last part of today's session, that is we can recall what are the things we learned today. So like us, the animal also have the different sense like ear, see, taste, smell and feel. The some animals have super senses, and today learned about the super sense of smell. So the first point, the ants move in a line by identify the smell left by the ant which is gone front. The second thing, the male insects identify the female insects by their smell. The silkworm also find the female silkworm from many kilometers away by a smell. The mosquito find the human being by the smell of our body. The dogs and tigers are mark their area with their urine. So the tiger will avoid going into the another tiger's area. So I hope all are understand the topic. In the next class we will talk about the another super sense. Thank you children.